Not really fighting, he's just a heavy lunker.
That's what I want to hear. Ooh. Hang on, dude. That's a deep. Don't want to get. Oh my! Oh, it's a pike. At the end of it. Drag it, just drag. That's a good one. That's a walleye. Oh my God!
Hang on. Don't make me nervous now. Don't make me nervous. Oh,
yeah!
dude! Let's go!
Oh!
Shit!
Did you jig?
Oh my God!
Yeah!
I thought that was a pike.
Son of a bitch!
That's a big fish.
Let's stop at that boat dock. What do you think? You want to stop at that boat dock? Ah, you want to stop at that boat dock?
You son of a fuck. My heart is pumping right now. I don't even know how to feel.
I don't either. I'm so pumped for you.
Holy shit.
Fucking A.
All week, buddy.
All week.
Oh.
Let's stop at that boat dock.
You son of a gun. Oh.
I ain't fucking around. That was awesome. Put them over there.
Holy shit.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Oh man. 26.
I thought it was bigger than that.
What do you think?